into the pirates. And this front looks a lot like the Disneyland one.
おめえたち、完全に後悔がしたいなら立ち上がったり手や足を船の外に出したりするな。それに Remain seated, keeping yourおめえたちは冒険が好きでこの海賊の海へ来たんだな。そんならここは気をつけだ。
おめえたちは呪いの言葉なんか恐るるに足らんというんだな。だが気をつけろ。いつ呪いが襲いかかるかわからんぞ。この恨みのこもった宝の山を見た以上はな。分かってるな。So says I, Davy Jones.
If ye be brave or fool enough to face a pirate's curse, proceed.
Dead men tell no tale.
Aye, tales there be plenty in this castle.
Captain Jack Sparrow, or by thunder we'll burn the city to the ground. They need a bit of persuasion, mateys. Fire at will. It's Captain Jack Sparrow, an unfortunate. You wait, you scary.
Where are we, Captain Jack Sparrow? Speak up! Or do you fancy a swim with Davy Jones?
Don't be cheating!
I'm not sponging for rum. It be gold I'm after. Strike your colours, you brazen wench. No need to expose your superstructure.
Keep still. I'm studying the map. Oh, it's the treasure map for sure, and no mistake. Earned by thunder, that scoundrel Captain Jack Sparrow will never lay eyes on it, nor this here key either. Quiet. Coolly, my DinkLife. Sir Joy wants Captain Jack Sparrow. He'll never find the treasure without this here.
Again, for your safety and the safety of those around you, please stay seated. Thank you.
各位游客请注意，因海盗出没、乱闯乱闹，造成前方游船停止前进。请各位在座位上坐好，稍后片刻。为了安全起见，请绝对不要站立。
Dare I say hi? Mangy mutt. Hit him with a silver. Here, Doggy. Here, Doggy. Nice dog. Belay that dog. What's the keys knocked him up, you swab? Can't you reach any further, you stuck-winged Bill Trent? Here you go, dearie. Have a nice one. That's a good boy.
Ah, my feathery friend, you've a divine singing voice. Do help yourself to a trinket. Small one. Drink out for me, hardest yo-ho. Yes, 'tis a fine treasure indeed. Is that not true, my chromatic winged beast? Drink out for me, hardest yo-ho. Yo-ho, yo-ho, a pirate's life for me. Do you know this song, Parrot? Feel free to join in any time. I will love
When next you sail
No. Heading to the pirate shop. Look, they have pirate back scratchers. They do have quite a different bit of pirate merch in this shop.
This is cute.
Yeah, those are cute. Those are cool. Some pirate ears. Here's the shop on the other side.
Everybody, so we just got off Pirates of the Caribbean at Tokyo Disneyland, and we didn't get to ride this last time we were here because it was under refurbishment.
Yep.
So this time we made sure we got on it first thing when we got in. It is quite similar to the one at Disneyland in California, but it's been updated, obviously.
Yeah.
So there are a lot of things that move better, look better,
Yeah.
sparklier, things like that. But for a comparison basis, it is.
It's really similar to that one.
Yeah, very, very similar to
but
that
better
one.
than that one, I would say.
Yeah, so like if you're just looking for a nostalgic Pirates that's been updated, this is the one.